Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie B. For those of you that are new, for those of you that are not, welcome to my beauty channel. So today I'll have a little bit of unboxing and a little bit of new makeup demo for you guys, so stay tuned for this. So today's video will be coming from Sephora. So we got some products from Sephora and also from my cousin that had just launched her new lash line. So look at the cute packaging though. It's pink, and we'll get into this, and I'll list all of her information down in the description box below so you can go and copy ours and shop. Okay, go support my cousin. So Selena Gomez just came out with her new makeup line, goes by the name of Rare Beauty. So I kind of just ripped the box up already because was giving me a hard time to come out. So these are them. One is a foundation and one's a concealer. So in my concealer I took 400W, in my foundation I took 430. So this is what the let me see, this is which one the concealer looks like, and it has the name Rare Beauty on there. And this is what the foundation looks like. Pretty much the same thing. Foundation, concealer. One thing I would have really appreciated Selena had done with the packaging though is put like the name concealer or foundation on it, because how am I supposed to know if they both look alike? Like, unless if I check the shade at the bottom, then I'll remember what shade I ordered in foundation and what shade I ordered in concealer. So by the way, I almost forgot. Let's get into this. Ooh, this looks so cute. And it has the name Chanel on it. So yeah, I ain't got no Chanel bag, but at least I got some Chanel lashes, y'all. And they look so fluffy and nice. They have a lot of volume. Like, I don't know where to take lashes, but I'm about to try this out. This looks so good. Congrats again, Kita, on launching your business or launching your lash line. What a cute packaging. I love the pink aesthetic. And she has her 2 business cards up in here. Like I said, I'll list her Instagram where you guys can go and make your order for your lashes. So, and I'll be trying this out today on this look that I'll be doing. So let's get into it. So see what I'm talking about? The 430 is my foundation anyways, and then the 400 is my concealer. So let's get into this and see. Okay, my foundation brush, but this time I want to use this so that I can blend everything properly in. So okay guys, so this is it with it all blended. I hope that it's blended properly on camera because my eyes be lying to me sometimes. So does it match my skin tone? Does it? I think so. Now I'm getting into 400. This is the concealer, and concealer is similar. So this is the concealer. Ooh, this is thick as hell. Okay, so I don't think there's any need for me to be putting this much concealer on my face, but y'all, I did not know it was this, you know, like much. So we just gotta like do what we gotta do and go by it. But the concealer is like super smooth. It go, as you guys can see, it went on like super smooth. I like it. Like, I love it. Thumbnail. Loving this, like, y'all know how much I'm loving this. And my stupid batteries are in. So we're gonna get some dark concealer, and we're gonna contour. I know I don't usually contour in my everyday makeup look, but leave it like this for now until if I see that I want to do anything as well. So the next thing is that I'm gonna do is my eyeliner. So, oh, you know what? Let's done bake. Let's bake some. We're done baking. So now we're gonna go with our brown powder and just like mesh it all out. My music because y'all seen his lashes? Y'all seen his lashes? If y'all not shopping from the Drake collection, what is you doing with your lashes, boo? What is you doing? Cause I wanna cry. Like, this is all these stuff. Like, Kita, well done, cuz well done. Y'all, this is the same reason I don't wear high lash. This gives me a hard time. God damn, but I'm so persistent, so I'll keep going. Hey guys, so this is the end of my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and leave some video suggestions down in that comment section below for your girls. And don't forget to go support my cousin. If you support me, it'll make sense. Don't y'all love how these lashes look at me? Look at this. And they're selling cheap too, so go let her get sold out. Like, yeah, go right away. So guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like for me to do more makeup.